So we're so excited to have our middle schoolers here. This is a great opportunity for TI to share with our middle schoolers what we do here on a day-to-day basis. And it's really more about showing the students what they can do and what they can aspire to in the future.
I learned a bunch of new things that I didn't know, and I learned about how silicon was in many different types of electronics that I didn't even really know had much chips in them for computers and stuff like that. I found the air thing the most interesting, how it purifies the air and makes it to where it's completely or close to completely clean.
When I was younger, I knew that employers around here hired engineers. So, but I never really had a chance to tour any of those facilities. So it would have really helped me along to see what we do out here at a place like this.
It helps learn what steps you have to learn to get into a job, like what degrees and what training you have to go through to get a job.
Learning about all this stuff while watching people or things or people do that is like, okay, this clicks easier in my brain.
It's more hands-on and you actually get to see what's happening and you get it first person. You get it explained from a worker that actually has to come here and deal with the problems that they deal with.